상만 한다. 온라인도 라틴도
오케이.
사서 열르시다.
먼저 맥주 똥맛을 키시도 안 되는. 여러분.
Excuse me.
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King. Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
How you doing? Don't worry, your old white Tim Onions here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, you're first on the count of three. I want to hear some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Why? I'm in the shit section.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king.
Hello? Hello?
Pumbaa!
Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, Tumble Monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
All right, Woodholmes, it's your turn. On the count of three, let's hear a sound snort. 1, 2, 3.
My arms!
Squeal!
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Let's hear some backing power. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section?
Come on, Lions, let's all together now. 1, 2, 3. To be
Tonight, the peace the ones in
Be prepared for the wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bad. Be prepared.
transparent hope through faith and love till we find our place on the path of
that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey, Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? I don't know.
Danny Plankton said they can live to be 100.
Well, if I ever meet one, I'll ask.
Me too. Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle. And a shark!
I know you're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Haven't you seen Jaws?
What?
You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale. In the big blue world, you'll be seen as a tasty dish.
No.
It means so much to me. I don't know what I would do Sometime, the drop-off.
Look at us, we're gonna touch the boats. Come on, Nemo.
Yeah.
You go. My dad says it's not safe.
Nemo! No, you can't be anywhere near here.
I wasn't gonna.
I was right. We'll try school again next year.
Dad.
No, little Kevin.
I'm Dory, and this is.
You don't need to know. I'm nobody. Really, I was just.
Yeah, I'd like to invite you morsels to swim away. Some more.
Swim away, 'cause I. Oh no, he's scared.
I don't know why we can't just say hello.
I wanna go home. Dad!
Sorry if I ever took a snap at your lap.
It says P. Sherman 42.